Shower yourself with this luxurious 63-inch stainless steel shower panel. Sleek with a stainless steel finish, the shower panel is complete with 2 overhead shower functions, a temperature display, shower wand, 4 jet sprays, 3 knobs, and a tub spout. The bottom right knob controls the hot and cold temperatures for all the panel functions. For an opulent shower, the top left knob can be turned counterclockwise for the waterfall function. Blue LED lighting on the shower head creates a calming ambiance. For the more traditional Rainfall style shower, turn the top left knob a second time going counterclockwise. The knob can be turned a third time to control the 4 jets with the mist function, perfect when set to cool on a hot summer day. Turn the bottom left knob counterclockwise to control the tub spout for a peaceful soak in the tub. To use the 3-function shower wand for a more direct wash, turn the bottom left knob counterclockwise a second time. The shower wand provides a steady stream of water, a more powerful stream of water, or a strong mist. To use the 2 large jets with the strong spray, turn the knob a third time counterclockwise. Some functions can work simultaneously for the ultimate shower experience. Akdy, let your home do more.